Chase. Today is May 23rd, and you are going to have rice cereal for the first time. We're making it very liquidy so that you just get a sense of what it tastes like. Are you ready? Okay, here comes spoon number 2. I can't do it when you're trying to hold my hand. Oh.
The spoon is huge.
And this is the smallest spoon we have. Oh, right in Mommy's face. Thank you. What do you think? Just a little bit more, buddy. There you go. Yeah, it tastes pretty good.
Yummy. Yummy.
Tastes pretty good. Try it again. There you go. Yeah. I know, it's harder work than the boob. Let's try a little bit more. Yeah, nice
Good
work,
boy.
buddy.